Hey guys, this is Kurt's Culinary, and today we're doing something pretty easy. This is Kurt's chili. Alright, this is 3 pounds of ground beef, and it's already browned off and it's already drained. I drain about 75% of the grease, and I leave 25% of it just to keep them good, real good flavors in there and everything. Okay, so my beef is 3 pounds of beef. It's browned off. I put it into a crock pot and transferred it over to the crock pot. Go ahead, and you got your beef. I already caramelized some onions up. So these are diced caramelized onions. Go ahead and put your onion in there. So 3 pounds of ground beef. 1 nice onion. Stir that bad boy, stir that up a little bit. Okay. Then we got, this is 3 tablespoons of chili powder. So go ahead and put that in there. And this is 1 tablespoon of cumin. Okay, gives it a great flavor. I like chili. I like my chili different. Okay, so that's why I decided to, I do it like that. But that's how I like it. And so now we got 1 can stewed tomatoes, or diced tomatoes, I'm sorry. And then after that, you're gonna fill this up about halfway with water. Okay, dump that in there. All right, I'm done with that. Okay, now we have here, go ahead and stir this all up. All right, now we have barbecue sauce. This is Sweet Baby Ray's. This is honey barbecue. You don't need a lot of this. I just drizzle just a little bit throughout it. That's about it. And that's done. Okay? Just a little bit barbecue sauce and then some salsa. I use about 1/4 of the jar. There we go. See? Not very much. Just a little bit. Okay? The salsa is really great. It's always just mild salsa. I don't really like real hot, spicy chilies. I like more flavorful chilies. So that's just a little bit of barbecue sauce, a little bit of salsa. Okay, then we're gonna add just a little bit of crushed red pepper. Okay, boom, 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 just a little. Okay, not too much, but it's gonna help give it a little kick. All right, a little bit of salt. Boom. And a little bit of pepper. Okay. All right. Those are your ingredients. There's one more. Okay. This is not as hydrated as I wanted it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Okay. There we go. I usually just start off with a 1/2 can of water because you don't want to water it down, but you want to keep it hydrated. Okay, and that's looking pretty good right there. Looking pretty good. Okay, and then your final ingredient is going to be sugar. Okay, I already have my sugar measured out. This is about 1/3 of a cup. Probably not going to use it all. I just go from one end to the other. And that's it. Okay. Stir this all around. All right, and there you have some quick, easy, delicious chili. Okay, now what we're gonna do on this is for cooking times. Okay, my crock pot is on low. Oh, let me grab this here. Oh, I forgot. Sorry guys. Make sure you got some spoons. Okay, after you get this all mixed up, get your spoon down in there. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. You have to taste your food, okay? No matter what it is, you have to taste it, okay? I tasted it once, and it's exactly how I want it, so I'm going to leave it. But if you were to taste it and you wanted a little more heat, you can add some more red pepper. If you wanted more salt, or you wanted more pepper, or you wanted more chili powder in there, It's up to you. I just go off of the recipe that I came up with. Feel free to always tinker with a recipe. You can always do more sugar, less sugar, more chili powder, less chili powder, more, you know, the sky is the limit, guys. But this is really quick, really simple. Once you have this all together, you're gonna keep it on low. You're gonna get your lid. You put your lid on it, and you want this to cook, okay? And as it's cooking, it's like marinating and giving just great flavors to everything. I usually let this cook on low for at least 4 hours, okay? And it's just to keep the flavors going. When you're done, transfer this to a different container. The longer chili marinates and sits in the refrigerator, the better it gets. As it's marinating, all of these flavors are just getting sucked into the beef and everything else, and chili gets better every time you cook it, pretty much, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. This is Kurt's Culinary. This is Kurt's Chili, and that's a wrap. See you guys.